Welcome to Review Lab. The best rubber spatula is probably one of the most versatile tools in any kitchen, from flipping pancakes to scraping the last bit of batter from a bowl. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? Today, we're diving deep into the world of heat-resistant rubber spatulas, exploring their features, benefits, and what makes a truly great spatula. Number 5. Kitchen World Silicone Spatula Set of 4. This silicone spatula set can withstand heat up to 248 degrees Celsius. You don't have to worry about melting or deformation. It won't have any burnt plastic smell either. The set is lightweight and ergonomically designed. It's built to be durable yet flexible for all your needs. Made of high-quality silicone, it will withstand the heat of your kitchen. These spatulas are made of BPA-free plastic and are safe for the dishwasher. Even better, the head of each spatula is removable, allowing you to clean every nook and cranny. The set includes 4 different designs: a large spatula, a small spatula, a spoon spatula, and a jar spatula. Each utensil is expertly designed to help you with various kitchen tasks. Whether you're mixing dough, frosting cakes, scraping jars, or flipping pancakes, this set has you covered. It's the perfect companion for all your cooking and baking adventures. What we like? This set can withstand heat up to 248 degrees Celsius, ensuring it won't melt or deform during cooking. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. If you are looking for a versatile set with different sizes for various tasks, this is a great choice. What people say. The spatula is heat resistant. The spatula is made of rubber. Number 4. Unicook 2-Pack Silicone Spatula. Introducing the Unicook 2-Pack Silicone Spatula. This set includes a small and a large spatula, perfect for all your cooking needs. The spatula head is made of food-grade silicone and can withstand heat up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. It's designed to handle high-temperature cooking with ease. Featuring a flexible stainless steel reinforced core, it's perfect for flipping eggs, burgers, and more. The sturdy handle ensures a comfortable grip. The soft silicone head protects your cookware from scratches. This extends the life of your non-stick pans and bakeware. This set is easy to clean by hand and is also dishwasher safe. It's a convenient addition to any kitchen. What we like? This spatula is designed with a flexible stainless steel core, making it ideal for flipping delicate foods. The head is heat resistant up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it won't be damaged by high temperatures. If you often cook eggs, burgers, or pancakes, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. The spatula is heat resistant. The spatula works well for high heat cooking. The design is effective for scraping the sides of bowls and pans. Number 3. ORO Silicone Spatula. This spatula was awarded Best All-Around Silicone Spatula by America's Test Kitchen. It strikes the perfect balance between strength and flexibility. It shares all the features and benefits of other silicone utensils. Unlike other spatulas, this one-piece design is perfect for stirring, scraping, and folding. The innovative seamless design has no seams or cracks, making it easy to clean and safe for your food. Made with food-grade, BPA-free silicone, it's safe for your cookware. This spatula is perfect for use with hot foods and around the cooktop. It is also dishwasher safe. The internal stainless steel core ensures this versatile utensil will last for years. It won't break like cheap plastic brands. It will replace all your old and underperforming spatulas. ORO is dedicated to creating positive experiences in your home. They offer a forever promise and unmatched customer care. If the product is damaged, they will replace it at no cost. What we like? This spatula features a seamless one-piece design, making it easy to clean and preventing food from getting trapped. It's also heat-resistant up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit and built to last. If you value durability and ease of cleaning, this spatula is an excellent addition to your kitchen. What people say. The one-piece design ensures that the head won't pop off over time, making it both sturdy and incredibly easy to clean. It scrapes like a champ and handles heat like a pro, so it's perfect for cooking anything from scrambled eggs to stir-fry. They wash up fantastically and have a perfect shape and edge to scrape the sides of bowls. Number 2. BakeRoyal 4-piece silicone spatula set. This BakeRoyal spatula set is crafted with high-quality materials, able to withstand heat up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. You can even leave it in the pot for a while without worry. It won't melt or damage, ensuring your food remains safe. The seamless design of each spatula makes cleaning a breeze. There are no cracks or ridges to trap food, and it's dishwasher safe. Plus, it doesn't retain odors or colors, making it a hygienic choice for your kitchen. This set includes large, mini, spoon, and jar spatulas, perfect for any baking task. From frosting cakes to scraping batter, these tools are well balanced and stylish, adding a pop of color to your kitchen. The spatula head combines soft edges for scraping bowls with a firm center for handling stiff dough. It's excellent for use on non-stick cookware, as it won't scratch the coating, making it user-friendly. This spatula set offers heat resistance, easy cleaning, and stain resistance. It includes 4 pieces, a strong handle, and a soft head tip for non-stick cookware. Available in 5 colors, it's also a great gift option. What we like? This set is crafted with high-grade silicone and can withstand heat up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and the seamless design makes it easy to clean. It includes 4 essential tools for any baker. If you like to bake and need a complete set of spatulas, this is the one for you. What people say? They hold up to all kitchen uses, have been easy to clean, comfortable to hold, and efficient to utilize while cooking. They're soft silicone and easy to clean. I've been on a hunt for a set where it's a solid piece, but still sturdy, and these are perfect. Number 1. Holiday Baking Essentials 4-piece spatula set. This professional set includes large and small spatulas, a mini spatula, a jar spatula, and a spoon spatula. It's designed for all your cooking and baking needs, perfect for mixing, folding, frosting, and scraping. This set has everything you need. These silicone spatulas are heat-resistant up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit and made of food-grade silicone. They are also BPA-free, ensuring no harmful substances will contaminate your food while you use them. This makes them safe and reliable for all your cooking tasks. Forget about flimsy plastic spatulas. The interior of these spatulas is reinforced with stainless steel, extending all the way to the handle. This construction makes them incredibly tough and sturdy, built to withstand frequent use in the kitchen. These spatulas are perfect for use with non-stick pots and pans. You can use them frequently without worrying about scratching or damaging your cookware's surfaces. They are designed to be gentle yet effective. This spatula set makes an excellent gift for any cooking enthusiast. It comes in a beautifully designed gift box, making it ideal for giving to friends or loved ones on any occasion. They will love this set. What we like? This set is made of food-grade silicone and is heat-resistant up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. The reinforced stainless steel core makes it strong and durable. If you are looking for a reliable and safe set of spatulas for your non-stick cookware, you should consider it. What people say? The spatula now scrapes the pan nearly clean of melted cheese or Rice Krispie Treats mixture or today's apple cobbler mixture. It wiped completely clean. They handle the heat or cold and are easy to clean. The different sizes work great to get into any size jar. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.